All right, people, how's everybody doing? Welcome to this live streaming. Let me know if you guys can see me and hear me well. Let me turn on the light. I always forget about the light. I don't know. Because since I have the window back there, it's kind of complicated for me to actually get light from here. So that's the reason why. But yeah, how's everybody doing? Welcome to this live streaming. Today is Tuesday, June the 16th, 2020. And what we want today is actually have a live session following Siddhant's signals. He doesn't know that I'm actually doing this live streaming though. So he doesn't get nervous or anything. He provided a few binary signals at the moment, but we're waiting for some Forex signals. So let me know if you can hear me and see me well. Where are you saying hi from? I'm going to have the live chat on this side of the screen and the recording on this side of the screen. And let me go ahead and make my screen a little smaller so that you can see me. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. On Instagram, I actually announced that about this streaming today. Let me just go ahead and move the camera a little bit. There you go. Perfect. So let me know where you're saying hi from so that I can say hi to you. 75 people watching. If you're joining this live streaming, make sure you smash the like button. Even if you're watching this on the replay, it doesn't matter. Make sure you smash the like button. And let me see where people are saying hi from right now. From India, how you doing, Amar? Hi, Prosper, how you doing? Siddhant, yeah, Siddhant. Signals from Siddhant today. Let's make some money. Who's Siddhant? Rishabh. Siddhant is the admin of the BLW Signals group. Binary AUDJPY. No, we're not taking binary today. Let me see. India, Jamaica, Curacao, Russia. How you doing? South Africa, Zimbabwe, India, Canada, India, UK, South Africa, India, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Hi from Mexico. Hey neighbor, how you doing? Nigeria, Sri Lanka, Trinidad and Tobago. Nigeria, how you doing this morning? Thank you very much. Great Christian using the 2-minute app and happy with it. Thank you. Awesome. I'm glad. Thank you for the feedback. USA, new here in Philippines. Siddhant is from India. Yes, he is. He's sending more binary right now. It doesn't, hopefully he can send a couple of Forex signals though. It would be quite cool. Maldives, USA, Zimbabwe. Basically what I want with this streaming is to show you how I take the signals from Siddhant. Also Anupama, but I'm not sure if Anupama is actually going to, we're going to be here for Anupama starts in 2 hours. So I'm not sure if we're going to be here by now, but hopefully we can follow a signal from Siddhant. Yeah, he's winning a lot of binary signals, 4 out of 5. So that's actually awesome. Yeah, 5 out of 6 right now with binary. So that's actually good. I'm not saying it's bad. By the way, if you're nowhere, where is it that I'm following signals? Go to blwtradingroom.com. blwtradingroom.com. And you will be able to get a trial period for the signals group. Rigid from Zimbabwe. Can I chat with you? Privately, unfortunately, no. Thank you for all the likes in this streaming. I actually have my broker right here. If you're joining in on this live streaming or watching this on the replay, make sure you smash the like button. Yesterday evening, I actually had this trade where I was able to make some cool profits. In fact, let me show you the trade. $24. I was able to make really fast. I could have made more, but I decided to close this trade in the morning, but I would have made like a lot of money. I'm going to show you this strategy, by the way, soon. So you should definitely stay tuned to the YouTube channel. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't answer Telegram privately. Apologize about that. No, unfortunately, privately, no, I can't chat privately. The BLW Cup, as usual, as every live streaming. How much money have you made today? We're going to see if we can follow some signals from Siddhant. If not, I'm still going to place a few trades, and I'm going to show you this killing strategy that I'm actually using at the moment. I think if we can even enter this trade. Are you guys going to trade with me? Let me know in the live chat so that I can provide with the actual entry point. USD CAD, I'm actually going to enter very small right now. I'm going to enter for like $5. There you go. I don't know exactly why, to be honest with you, but I'm not able to actually set the take profit and the stop loss. Oh, wait a minute. I can now. Awesome. So I'm going to enter for USD CAD very small. If you guys are going to enter with me while Siddhant gets a signal, make sure you enter small. I just entered for a buy position, and I'm going to explain you why right now. Yeah, I'm going to give you the details right now of the setup. And I'm going to set up a take profit and stop loss for 15 pips. I'm going to go with 20 pips. 20 pips. We can close this manually at any point. It's not a problem. So let me see. Let me try to show you where's this stop loss and the take profit. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, the stop loss is right here, and the take profit is actually right here. It's a very fast trade, but basically what I want to show you today is a strategy that I've been developing for about a month now. It's doing really good. In fact, I'm actually going to create an expert advisor in an application based on this strategy so that it can send you alert and let you know when to trade with this Forex strategy as well. So USD CAD for a buy option. All-in trade. I don't know if all-in trade has Forex though, but we're trading Forex right now. Demo account. Awesome. Yes, this will be on YouTube after we finish with this streaming. All right. So the way basically this strategy works is with moving averages. But in this specific occasion, the blue line is actually a moving average on a period of 9, and the yellow one is in a period of 14. Pretty much like the actual 2-minute strategy. But here's the key point in this specific strategy is the third moving average on the period of 30. Why? Because the period of 30 actually determines whether there is an uptrend or a downtrend or a change on direction. So what happens over here, for example, if you notice this one dropped, and the moving average, I don't even know what color is this one, but this one right here, or the period of 30th, if it is above the blue line and the red, the yellow line, it continues to be a downtrend. It continues to be a downtrend, so you can make a lot of money out of this specific prediction over here. And if it's below the yellow line and the blue line, is actually an uptrend. So if you notice right here, it continued to be below, and it was an uptrend, an uptrend, an uptrend, all the way until it changed its position. So basically, this is a brief explanation, of course, of this strategy. I'm going to try to make more videos in regards to it. But like I said, I'm creating an application based on these indicators so that I can, you guys can get an alert saying, hey, boom, here's a new signal coming. Let me see if we can find something better. This one already dropped too much. And if you notice, I also use MACD. I usually go with 15 minutes if I want to do day trading. If you guys want to do more like swing trading, I recommend you to go with 4-hour candlesticks. If you want to place 4 trades per day, pretty much, you can go with 15 minutes per candle. Right now, I set everything for 15 minutes. Let me take a look at the questions real quick. Which platform is that now you're using? It's IC Markets. The platform is CTrader. They provide it to you when you open a demo or a real account. How do I use the signal on Olim Trade? Olim Trade, if I'm not mistaken, is for binary. And no, you can't follow Forex on a binary room. Let's keep an eye on the trade that we opened. And binary 4 out of 5 now with Siddhant, my kin. Awesome. Yeah, I'm glad that you actually made some money. In regards to Crypto Bull app, we're not going to talk about softwares today, but no, you can choose a broker. If you're just joining in this live streaming or watching this on the replay, make sure you hit that like button. Support this YouTube channel and smash the like button. We're making like around $1 out of this trade, even though I invested like $5, so that's actually good. But yeah, can I use this strategy to trade on Forex IQ option? Yes, you can. Any broker from Forex that you want. Depending on how much money you invest on each specific trade, this is what you do. You can make like, for example, right now I'm making 6 pips in profit, 7 pips in profit. I set it up for 20 pips. I can set it up for even less than that. It's really up to you how many pips you want to go with. But for example, I'm going to put for 10 pips just to show you how the trade will automatically be closed. I can barely see my screen, by the way. I'm sorry about that. But it's because of the backlight that I have in the window. But yeah. Let me see more questions. I'm a CTrader web. No, CTrader. I downloaded the application. Is BLW still using the Signals Group website? Not anymore. Now we all migrated to blwtradingroom.com. What are the moving average settings? The blue line is period of 9. The yellow line is period of 14. And I don't know what color is this one in English, but this one is in the period of 30. How to make BLW my broker on MT5. We don't have brokers. So you can choose whichever broker you prefer that has MT4, and then you can join it into the MT4. Again, I'm not going to talk about any software in this specific video. I don't see any signal from Siddhant right now. He still has a couple of hours to go. I guess we can just wait. Yeah. Oh, you can't select any broker with Crypto Bull app. Yeah. You're more than welcome. I guess we can just wait for a new signal to come from Siddhant. If not, we're going to find a signal on our own. What's the problem with that, right? We can trade along with no signals. I want to trade with signals from Siddhant because I want to teach you how is it that I take those signals. But if not possible, we can trade on our own. And if we notice right here, I actually have a MACD indicator and stochastic oscillator. I use different confirmations so that we can enter more than one trade at a time. And if you notice right here, the moving average is about to touch. And since this is 15 minutes, I think I'm going to enter for this one as well, USD/JPY. Enter small as well, USD/JPY for a sell position. And the MACD is actually giving me the confirmation right here. All right. And with Forex, is not really that big deal to enter at a certain SR. What's important is the actual take profit and stop loss. I'm gonna put 10 pips for take profit and 10 pips for take profit and 20 for stop loss. I'm not risking that much. This is pure education more than anything. I already made the profit of the day. You know, $24, $12 here, $124 in profit during this week. So this month. So not bad for a secondary broker. How do I join the BLW Signals group? You can go to blwtradingroom.com. There's actually a link in the description. blwonlinetrading.com or blwtradingroom.com. Very welcome. Thank you for sharing the moving average settings. Thanks a lot. I appreciate that. Whoa, this one is about to touch the stop loss. All right, we're going to wait and see. We're not going to lose that much money, even if it touches the stop loss, right? How do you use the, this is a good question from Prosper. How do you set stop loss and take profit using this strategy? I usually go with 20 pips. I think it's enough. 20 pips is enough. It really depends. This one hit the stop loss, if you notice. It really depends on what's the amount of money that you're investing per trade, how much you can make or lose. Because with 20 pips, if you invest with $100, you can make really cool money. But if you actually, let's say that you invest like I did right now, $4, then your stop loss is $4. So it's not a big deal. 481 is what I lost. 21 pips in negative. I guess that's fine. USD JPY, I enter for a put, right? Yeah. Thank you very much for being in this live streaming. If you're just joining in, make sure you smash the like button. Smash the like button so that we can keep on growing and supporting this YouTube channel. Wow, it had been a while since I actually had the stop loss hit. But yeah, it's completely normal. Let me see if I have something else. No. Right now, on the 6 pairs that I used to trade, there are no opportunities to enter. We're going to see if we have an opportunity. If this one actually goes on the right direction, we should be making some cool money. Let me see, how much is it that I'm making? Around $4. Yeah, we would recover what we just lost, which is not that bad. Waukesha, Wisconsin, how you doing? Thank you for being in this live streaming. I'm using my own strategy. It's a moving average strategy based on trends. I guess we're just going to have to wait for Siddhant to come. Did anybody enter on USD JPY for a sell? Let me know. And I believe I'm going to add some background music. You enter. Awesome. No, we're not going to trade binary today. Let me just switch my headphones here. Scalp 10% on IQ option. Awesome. Two-minute strategy? No, no, this isn't the 2-minute strategy. Harry is sending signals on the 5-minute room right now. Okay, Pablo Escobar is one of the scammers of Instagram. Do you remember the scammer on Instagram? Pablo Escobar is probably the one behind it. What a sad life you have, man. It must be frustrating. Yeah. Entry once both MA pass the 30 or when they cross each other? When they cross each other. This strategy work in binary? No, I don't recommend it for binary. Because even, look, it's easy to use, but the thing is that it can take 1, 2, 4, 5 candles to actually cross each other. So it's kind of complicated. Yeah, I provided with 2 signals. One of them hit stop loss 20 pips, and the other one is actually running right now, USD JPY. We getting dislikes from these people who are promoting Siddhant's signals, you know. So if you want to support this YouTube channel and this, you should just go ahead and hit the like button. Smash the like button. What strategy is this? This is a new one that I just created, but I recommend you, the ones that just joining in and you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I recommend you to watch the replay once we actually finish with this streaming. It's going to be available on YouTube. And yes, it's available for FOREX. Who is in prison in the USA? Me? Who is Israel? I don't. What is this? Hey, thank you for being in this live streaming. I'm gonna put some background music and wait and see if Siddhant is going to be available for us, so that you guys don't get bored. I'm gonna have my camera on, just wait for new signals to actually come. And we'll be back with this trade right here that you guys have. Open. Smash the like button, people. Smash the like button. hey, for the ones that are holding this trade, you should close it right now. And the reason why is because there is a support line in this area, and I don't want to fight that support line right here. So it might not even touch it and start jumping back. So if you guys want to take a few pips of profit, you guys can do so. It's about 4 pips, depending on how much you entered. It could be good money. So close it right now. All right. And we're waiting for signals right now. So let's just wait for Siddhant. He's going to be here any minute now.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
All right, people, we have a signal from Siddhant. It's a buy. It's on the SR's 3578. 3578, which is 5 pips above. So I'm gonna enter right now. Is it a buy? Yeah, right. Okay, buy. And I'm gonna enter for enter for 1455. Okay, so this is how you enter. You don't need to actually get the exact SR, but you need to get as close as possible. I enter about 5 pips above. And what we're going to do right now is that he also provides with the best SR. It's up to you if you guys want to wait until that SR is actually touched. Right now, I'm going to set up the take profit. Now, here's the cool thing about IC markets. If you notice, the take profit that we're looking at right here from Siddhant is the take profit one is at 3,600. So we're gonna go and type in here 3,600. That's 15 pips. It's not bad, but I've have gotten a lot of money from Siddhant signals using the take profit 2 or similar. 3,650 is the other one. That's 65 pips. I'm gonna leave it like that, and then I'm gonna set up the stop loss at 3,500. 100, that's 84 pips. It's a $45 loss if it hits the stop loss. So I entered right there, and if you can see right here is the stop loss and here's the take profit. I'm gonna leave that like that. But one of the things that I've done all the time is actually close my positions before they actually hit the stop loss. So here's the trick. You can actually hit or use the stop loss 2 or something between 1 or 2. It's really up to you. If you want to use the take profit 1, that's fine. That's 20 pips. It's easy money. But I like to go a little bit a step further away and make a little bit more profit. Or you can wait for the better SR, wait for a huge drop, and then enter for that specific trade. So right now we're enter for one trade. It doesn't necessarily mean that we're gonna wait for the entire streaming for the trade to actually place. In fact, I only have 1 hour for the streaming, so we're 19 minutes away from the end of the streaming. But right now we have a signal. You guys can enter right now or wait for a better SR. It's really up to you. With Forex, like I said, it's not really that a must that you need to wait for the SR to be touched, or otherwise you're not gonna make money. What could happen is that you can make less money than what you could have made if you entered a better SR. Does that make sense? So let me know if you're still with me. Many people left. That's completely understandable. They want fast signals, but the ones that are still here are the ones that want to learn. So make sure you smash the like button and let me know in the live chat if you entered this trade. Let me know. I want to see how many people entered this trade right now. Is there someone here that is in the BLW Signals group? BLWTradingRoom.com is actually the website, but let me know if there's someone here who is in the BLW Trading Room. And by the way, are you following me on Instagram? You should be following me on Instagram. My user is in the corner of the streaming. Awesome. Awesome. Jason Prosper, the Freddie McLeod. Awesome. Entered. Awesome. Learning. Awesome. Here, Reggie. Thank you for being here still. And thank you for all the likes on this streaming. Awesome. I'm glad to see how many people entered. Took the signal. Awesome. It might drop a little bit. Hopefully we can win this one. Perfect. The price for 2 months is $59.99. 6 months is $149.99, and 1 year is $239.88. Yeah, you can ask, no worries. If it's related to the topic, I'll go ahead and answer. You place a pending order. Okay. Place a pending order. Awesome. Jason, good job. Learning. Awesome. The colors of the moving averages. There are 3 moving averages. It's SMA. SMA. And the periods are 9. The yellow is 14. And the white, if you want to do it white, is 30. The pair is the signal from Siddhant is USD CAD for a buy option. The SR is at 1.3578, or the best SR would be 3550, which is around this area right here. And the take profit one, the stop loss is at 3500. Take profit 1 is at 3600. Take profit 2 is at 1.3650, and take profit 3 is at 3750. Awesome. All right, now we have this active trade. Let's put on some music again. Wait for a new signal, and we'll see how this one goes. We have 15 minutes to go, and then I'm going to close the streaming, but the signal will still remain active. By the way, if I get to the best SR, which is right here, I'm going to enter for a second trade, but I'm going to enter with less money. I'm going to enter for like 875 if it touches this right here, because that way we can have two trades, one for the better SR and one for the regular SR, and see which one actually makes more money. Okay, so hopefully, because I don't really see the lines, I don't know, I don't see the lines, the light is too heavy right now, but I think the stop loss is around this area. Yeah, cool. So yeah, we're just gonna wait and see how this trade actually goes. So smash the like button, people. Let's go ahead and go. All right, so Siddhant already said goodbye on his session. Therefore, we're gonna finish with this streaming as well. Hopefully we can have another streaming on Thursday. I'm gonna see if it's possible to actually have it on Thursday so that we can actually have more signals. This today, the market is not looking that good, to be honest. I actually looked for opportunities myself and I couldn't find anything. So it's kind of complicated. Nevertheless, I'm gonna still monitor and see how everything's going on Thursday so that we can enter those specific trades, okay? And maybe we can make some more money. Right now, I'm gonna finish the streaming with this signal. So I hopefully, this trade is going to be a loss. Well, you don't know. I don't know. Nobody knows the future. But yeah, thank you for being in this live streaming. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for the likes. This streaming is going to be available after we finish. Right now, I'm gonna close the streaming. So in case you guys want to give it a look later on and understand a little bit more about the new strategy that I'm developing, and also in regards to the signals from Siddhant that we had today. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this as live streaming. Thank you for being here as usual, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.